Okay, running a one-person biz is exhausting. Let's see how an AI partner can totally transform your workflow.
You know you're probably losing 15 hours every single week to boring, mundane tasks, right?
Here's the absolute game changer. AI can instantly claw back 62% of that lost admin time. To get that time back without sounding like a robot, just follow this simple 3-step approach.
It's an amplifier, guys. You can literally slash production time while actually driving your audience engagement way up. But let's think bigger. Your new 24/7 partner easily handles heavy strategy and all those tedious organizational chores.
It even writes killer website copy and tests call to actions specifically tailored to totally resonate with your audience. Now, the real secret is prompting. Use this exact 4-step framework to get exactly what you need.
Look at this magic. Highly specific constraints around audience, tone, and format will absolutely give you better results.
So instead of generic inputs, try a reverse brief. It literally forces the AI to uncover your real objectives. A quick heads up though, always double-check the facts and absolutely never feed it your client's private data.
It's time to reclaim your schedule and amplify your genius. So what impossible project will you conquer today?